Hey, we have a Trak engine lathe model TRL 2460SX. This machine can be run both CNC or manually. We're going to run it right now. It has 24-inch swing with 60-inch centers. You have a Trak SLX control. You have digital hand wheels and a joystick. You also have right now he's running it with the joystick. You also have a 4-way programmable turret tool post. You have X and Z ball screws and servo motors. He's wrapping it both ways. When he's wrapping it, you see that the control becomes a digital readout. Now he's using the hand wheel. You can see the X-axis turning up on the screen. And now he's doing the Z. And you can see him moving the hand wheel. When he turns the digital hand wheel, it simulates a manual hand wheel. All right. Indexing the turret. And again, okay. Now we're going to run the spindle. $500. Machine goes up to $1,800. $750. Yep, we're in the high range. The high range is up from 100 up to 1,800. In the low range, it's from 40 to 670. We're going to put it in the low range. All right, you change the gear. Now we're in the low range. 200. So this machine also has constant surface speed. All right. That's your tailstock. Tailstock's number 5 Morse taper. And it's 2-speed. Wait, hold on, do that again. It's 2-speed tailstock. There you go. Thank you. It's 15 horsepower. Thank you for watching our video.